In the contemporary world, sport is no longer viewed merely as a recreational pastime. Rather, it is recognized as a fundamental pillar of public health and social integration. While the physical benefits are undeniable, the focus has shifted toward how athletic participation can serve as a catalyst for personal development. Engaging in a sport requires a level of commitment that fosters resilience, allowing individuals to navigate setbacks and maintain focus on long-term objectives. From a physiological perspective, the advantages of a consistent fitness regime are extensive. Beyond the basic improvement of cardiovascular health, regular exercise plays a crucial role in metabolic regulation and the prevention of chronic illnesses. For many, the gym or the playing field serves as a space for stress inoculation. By subjecting the body to controlled physical stress, individuals can improve their ability to handle psychological pressure in their professional lives. Consequently, many corporations now invest in employee wellness programs, recognizing that a fit workforce is generally more productive and less prone to absenteeism. Furthermore, the distinction between amateur and professional sports has become increasingly blurred in terms of the technology used. Many hobbyists now utilize wearable devices to monitor their biometrics, such as heart rate variability and sleep quality, to optimize their performance. This data-driven approach allows athletes to avoid the pitfalls of overtraining and ensure that their recovery periods are as effective as their workouts. However, it is essential to remember that while data is useful, it should not replace the intuitive understanding of one's own physical limits. Socially, sports acts as a universal language that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers. Large-scale events like the Olympics or the World Cup have the power to foster a sense of national identity and collective pride. On a local level, community sports clubs provide a vital support network, offering a sense of belonging that is often missing in urban environments. Ultimately, whether it is through a high-stakes competitive match or a solitary morning run, sports provides a framework for self-improvement and a more balanced lifestyle.